Hey, Keto Warriors, are you struggling to stay on track, hit a plateau, or just feeling overwhelmed on your journey? Trust me, I've been there. But today I'm going to share a simple yet powerful trick that can completely shift your mindset and help you overcome challenges. Recording a video diary. This isn't just another keep a food journal tip. Speaking out loud to a camera is a game changer, and I'll break down 3 big reasons why you need to start today. Number 1, it helps you stay accountable. When you record yourself talking about your progress, struggles, and goals, it makes everything more real. You're not just thinking about your journey, you're actively documenting it. Looking back at your videos can remind you how far you've come and keep you motivated when things get tough. Number 2, it provides an emotional release. Let's be honest, some days are really difficult and hard. You might crave carbs, hit a weight loss stall, or feel like giving up. But instead of bottling it all up, talk it out. Saying things out loud can actually help you process your emotions and move forward instead of getting stuck. It's like free therapy, just you and the camera. Number 3, it tracks your transformation. You might not notice small changes day to day, but when you look back at your videos, you'll see the difference. Maybe your face is slimmer, your energy is through the roof, or your confidence has skyrocketed. Seeing those changes will remind you why you started and push you to keep going. So, are you ready to try this yourself? Well, grab your phone, hit record, and start talking. Your future self will thank you. And hey, if this video helped, hit that like button and drop a comment below. I'd love to hear if you've ever tried recording yourself on your keto journey. Don't forget to subscribe for more keto tips and motivation. Let's crush this journey together.